Hi everyone, I am Dr. Neha Rao Malya, consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist at Dr. Neha Skin Clinic, Calicut. Today I'll be talking about laser hair removal and some myths and facts associated with it. Stay tuned till the end of the video because we are going to show you the procedure of laser hair removal at Dr. Neha Skin Clinic. So before you go for any hair removal procedure, make sure you follow these tips to attain the maximum benefits and to avoid any possible side effects. First, make sure that you don't wax, bleach or thread your facial hair or any area that you want the laser to be done 2 to 3 weeks before the procedure. Make sure that you don't have any tan or sunburn before laser hair removal, and avoid any procedures like peels or facials or any other lasers prior to this laser hair removal. So number 4 is you need to avoid creams containing retinols, salicylic acid, glycolic acid at least 2 days before the laser hair removal procedure. First, the area to be treated with laser hair removal is marked and shaved in the direction of the hair growth. The laser we use here at Dr. Neha Skin Clinic is US FDA approved diode laser, which is of the latest technology available. It has an inbuilt cooling that makes the procedure absolutely painless and comfortable. So depending upon the area which is to be treated, the patient is advised to come for repeat sessions at 3 to 4 week intervals, which eventually increases to 3 to 4 month intervals in the subsequent sessions. So you need to come for laser follow-up sessions as advised by the doctor to attain maximum benefits. So what do you have to do post-laser? Post-laser care is very important. So make sure you apply sunscreen, a minimum of SPF 30 post procedure. Avoid direct sun exposure for minimum of 5 to 7 days. So if you experience any redness, swelling, burning sensations or any itching on the treated area, you can use ice packs. Do consult your dermatologist for medications if these irritations persist. So a lot of people have a lot of myths about laser hair removal treatment, because of which they are scared of this treatment. So here today I will be clearing out the commonest myths which people have about laser hair removal. The first one being laser exposes you to a lot of radiations which can cause cancer. Well, this is absolutely false, and there is absolutely no evidence that laser can cause any form of cancer, nor there is any risk of developing any cancer. Second commonest myth is that the laser hair removal is extremely painful to handle. So the laser here at Dr. Neha Skin Clinic, what we use is a US FDA approved laser which is absolutely painless and comfortable because our lasers come with an advanced cooling tip which makes the entire session easy and pain-free. The third one is laser hair removal is very expensive. See, when compared to waxing or threading, well, it's just a matter of 6 to 8 sessions of laser hair removal that can cause permanent reduction of hair. So when considered in the long run, it's 6 to 8 sessions versus lifelong sessions of waxing and threading. So it's not just an investment of money, it's also an investment of time and energy. So the next one is, people think that laser hair removal is only for women. Well, actually laser hair removal is more apt for men because men have more thicker, coarser hair. Men can get their beard shaped, they can have the reduction of hair on the chest and back as well. Next one being, laser hair removal can cause darkness of your skin. Well, this is absolutely false because laser selectively focuses on the pigment of the hair follicle and it can cause no darkness at all to the surrounding skin. So the next one is, and this is the most commonest one, that whether laser causes permanent removal of hair. Well, laser hair removal after the required number of sessions makes your hair thin and delays the hair growth significantly. However, you may require few maintenance sessions. So the takeaway message is laser hair removal is simple, quick, effective, painless, hassle-free procedure, and here at Dr. Neha Skin Clinic we assure that the sessions are comfortable and long lasting. So if you have any doubts, you feel free to contact us.